So this box is deceiving. I didn't get that much, but it's in a really big box. So whatever. I have been thinking that it's a Jimmy John's box for like 3 days now, but nope, it's even better. So I already opened it, but first color I got is VooDoo Blue. So this is a new color I have. It's one of their newer colors that they stock as well. So it's a pretty vibrant, like standard kind of blue color. So figured that'd be a nice little shade to have. Then I have Grassy Shore, which is kind of that pixelated spiral pattern with neon green and like a Carolina blue. And Pixel Noise is this one here. This one's really cool. It's like very kind of pixelated. Pixel Noise makes sense. But it's got some bright pink, looks like a neon pink. There may even be like a lighter pink, almost like a salmon pink in there. Like a dark blue, light blue, turquoise, red, silver. So really, really fun pattern. And I feel like it'll pull like a purple hue pretty easily. So that'll be really fun to pair off with a bunch of different colors. Standard green, nothing really fancy, but I have a Kelly green right now that looks pretty much exactly like this. So I was just restocking it with standard green. Restocking Warpdrive, a really rainbow pattern, really cool. One of my favorites. Air Force Gold. I have this one in like micro quart, and I have goldenrod right now, so this is going to replace my goldenrod with Air Force Gold. Also restocked one of the color shifting cords, Android. This is the one that has some purple, black, red, and green, all like equal specks or pixels of each color in there. Kind of a nice, like, can almost pull for black, or I don't know, just a good color, you know. And then what is this one? This one's Tiger Stripe Camo. So a darker color scheme. It looks like there's like a gold, a dark brown. It may actually be a black, but it looks like a dark brown and a gold with a dark green and a brown also. So pretty cool neutral there. Green Zone Camo. How to remember. There's one that I wanted and it was out of stock. So Green Zone Camo is looks like an olive drab, a dark green, a black, a coyote brown. So pretty nice there. My micro cord went all rogue in the box here, so just some black micro cord. Wow, it really got all crazy in there. And then they didn't have the small spool of white. I had to get the big spool. So I got 500 feet of white micro cord. So you're gonna see a lot of things stitched in white probably. And I'll probably have that until, I don't know, until I'm almost done. Got more black because black's a good staple. Got 2 bundles of black. So that's pretty much it. There's not too many like new things, but a couple restock items. And then these would be my brand new 5 new cords that I've not had before. Green Zone Camo, Tiger Stripe right here under my nose, Grassy Shore, VooDoo Blue, and Pixel Noise down here. So I gotta go start stitching some things in some white micro cord because I have a keychain I've been holding on to for almost a week now because I wanted white. So I'm gonna go off and do that, and thanks for hanging out again today and checking out what's in the box. And of course, you know where I'm at. You can send me a message on Instagram, Facebook, Etsy for anything custom. But yeah, have an awesome day. Take care.